In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Following that, select simple mode over here, and then to activate it, hit enable. So when I do that, as you can see, easy mode is on. To go back to a standard one, access settings again and click on exit simple mode at the bottom, then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!